Hi, tutor and classmates. My name is Anderson Lozano Garcia. The following is the answer for this situation. If you could have any job in the world, which job will you choose? An ambassador, a pilot, a machine operator, or any other? Explain. What has been the last job you have had? It was important for you? First, if I could have any job, I would like to be a pilot. I think that having the chance to travel and get to know many places in the world is very rewarding, as well as meeting many people and new cultures is very pleasant. I have had few opportunities to travel, so I am interested in doing so. I have been working for the current company for 10 years. My last job had similar characteristics and this allowed me to join my current job. In my last job, I learned a lot about the specialty in which I work. This is everything. Thanks.